Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is all about home decor. Today in this video, I will show you gully kitchen design ideas. You might have never heard of gully kitchen before. If you are unfamiliar, the layout of a gully kitchen typically looks more like a hallway. Gully kitchens are infamous for their narrow walkways and oftentimes lack of space. But if your house includes this style, don't fret. There are quite a few surprising ways to configure them that make them just as spectacular as any other cooking space. If you like my video, please consider to subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.